Learn today. Nouns. Let us look at some questions on nouns for grade 2, class 2. Identify the common noun. We arrived early at the museum. The options are museum, early, we, arrived. The answer is museum. Let me have a look at your puppy. The options are puppy, look, me, your. The noun in this sentence is puppy. Identify the common noun. Which word in bold is a noun? Newborn kangaroos are smaller than your thumb. The options are thumb, smaller, are, your. The answer is thumb. Mark a common noun. As hot as the dash. Options are fire, coal, water, ice. The answer is fire. Mark a common noun. As black as the dash. Options are coal, knife, diamond, light. The answer is coal. Mark a common noun. As blue as the dash. Sky, earth, diamond, stone. The answer is sky. As blue as the sky. Proper nouns. Mark the noun category. New Delhi. Is it a place, thing, animal, or a person? The answer is place. Mark the noun category. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Options are place, thing, animal, person. The answer is person. Choose the proper noun from the sentences. My name is Pedro. The options are my is name Pedro. The proper noun is Pedro. Choose the proper noun. Hawaii is a fun place to visit. Options are place is fun Hawaii. The answer is Hawaii. Choose the proper noun. His favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig. Options are his is cartoon Peppa Pig. The answer is Peppa Pig. Fill in the blanks with a proper noun. We celebrate dash in December. Options are Diwali, New Year, Holi, Christmas. The answer is Christmas. My teacher's name is dash. Delhi, girl, auntie, Geeta. The answer is Geeta. My grandmother reads dash. Paper, place, park, the Hindu. The proper noun is the Hindu. Collective nouns. Let us look at some questions on collective nouns for grade 2, class 2. Fill in the blanks with a collective noun. A pack of dash. ships, pins, rocks, cards. Cards, a pack of cards. A dash of dolphins. Swarm, gaggle, colony, pod. Pod, a pod of dolphins. Fill in the blanks with a collective noun. A dash of monkeys were swinging on the trees. Brood, gaggle, colony, troop. Troop, a troop of monkeys. A dash of whales were swimming. Swarm, gaggle, band, school. School, a school of whales were swimming. A dash of herrings were swimming in the shallow water. Swam, gaggle, band, school. School, a school of herrings were swimming in the shallow water. A dash of geese. The options are row, gaggle, flock, school. The answer is gaggle, a gaggle of geese. A row of dash, keys, pins, trees, rubbers. Answer is trees, a row of trees. A herd of dash, hyenas, sparrows, elephants, robbers. The answer is elephants, a herd of elephants. A dash of crows. The options are troop, herd, murder, wake. The answer is murder, a murder of crows. A dash of vultures. Troop, herd, wake, swarm. The answer is wake, a wake of vultures. A dash of owls. Bunch, herd, parliament, swarm. The answer is parliament. And dash of tigers. The options are bunch, herd, ambush, swarm. The answer is ambush, an ambush of tigers. A dash of hyenas. Troop, herd, cackle, gaggle. The answer is cackle, a cackle of hyenas. Countable and uncountable nouns. Choose the countable noun. How many birds are sitting there? Options are how many birds there. Birds. Birds is a countable noun. Eat 2 eggs every day. Options are how eat eggs every day. The countable noun is eggs. Count the number of pins. Of, count, pins, number. The countable noun is pins. Choose the suitable noun. You have fewer dash than a shark, but more dash. Tooths slash feet, tooth dash foot, teeth dash feet, teeths dash feet. The answer is teeth slash feet. You have fewer teeth than a shark, but more feet. Choose the suitable noun. The dash of musicians played very well? Bunch, bundle, band, bouquet. The answer is band, the band of musicians. A dash of flowers. Bunch, bundle, band, bouquet. The answer is bouquet, a bouquet of flowers. Choose the suitable noun. A dash of chickens. Group, bundle, band, brood. The answer is brood, a brood of chickens. A dash of lions. Row, bundle, band, pride. The answer is pride, a pride of lions. Pronouns. Let us look at some questions on pronouns for grade 2, class 2. Choose the appropriate pronoun for the underlined word. Matt bought a black and white cat. The underlined word is Matt. The options are he, she, we, you. The appropriate pronoun is he. John and Ria are watching a movie. The underlined words are John and Ria. The options are they, she, he, we. The appropriate pronoun is they. Mr. and Mrs. Ron live down the street. Father and I met them. The underlined words are father and I. The options are he, she, they, we. The appropriate pronoun is we. My trousers are old. I have worn dash for a long time. The suitable pronoun is them. I have worn them for a long time. Rick is very naughty. Dash is drawing on the wall. Options are it, she, they, he. The suitable pronoun is he. He is drawing on the wall. Dash are my pencils. Those are yours. The options are that, it, these, those. The suitable pronoun is these. These are my pencils. Those are yours. We live in India. We love dash country. The options are, she, it's, you. The pronoun is our. We love our country. My puppy is very cute. Dash coat is white. The options are it's, she, their, you. The suitable pronoun is its coat is white. My name is Sheila. Dash, I'm a good girl. The options are I, she, we, you. The suitable pronoun is I am a good girl. Look at the monkey. See how dash swings. The options are it, she, they, you. The suitable pronoun is it. See how it swings. Our neighbors have gone on a holiday. Dash dog is with us now. The options are their, she, they, you. The suitable pronoun is their. Their dog is with us now. My parents and I are going to Paris. Dash are going by flight. We, she, they, you. The answer is we are going by flight. Dash family and Dash live in Atlanta. The options are my/I, he slash I, you slash your, those slash him. The answer is my slash I. My family and I live in Atlanta. What are dash doing at home? The options are you, she, they, him. The answer is you. What are you doing at home? Thank you.